Hi there! Awesome that you are interested in our employer branding workshop. My name is Dori.
And I am Niels. We are helping companies to create and distribute content for over 4 years now.
We have learned that sharing valuable information helps companies with attracting customers who want to fulfill a specific need.
In our workshop, that will take about half a workday, you'll learn how to win the war for talent with content creation and video content creation.
We will look at employee values to see why it's important that these values differ from your company values.
And last but not least, we will teach you how to set up good employee criteria. These criteria will help you in selecting the right message and the right channel to reach your next superstar.
Do you want to take your hiring process back into your own hands?
Then this workshop is a perfect place to get started. Book your employer branding workshop via our landing page, and we hope to see you soon.